Loud scratching. What the hell just happened? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. I would truly appreciate it. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I'm posting. So today's video is going to be on a black and bronzy colored eyeshadow look. I was inspired by a look that I saw on Pinterest. I'm gonna do my own type of thing with it. It was a cut crease on Pinterest. I don't know if I'm gonna do a cut crease or not, but we're gonna see about it. So today I'm gonna be using my Morphe 3502 palette, which looks like this. So I'm gonna be going into this black color down here and kind of diving into probably these two colors, the bronziest colors. The look that I saw on Pinterest was actually gold and black and gold, but my gold has gotten misplaced. I had a little gold one that I got from NYX and I have no idea what happened to it, so we're gonna have to go with bronze. I was gonna dip into this orangish color, which looks on camera really golden, but it's really orange, so I'm gonna stick to these two colors. I'm gonna powder my eyes because I have not done that. And then we're gonna get started. I'm gonna start with this color right here to just kind of transition into everything. And I'm gonna use my Vera brush. There's no number or anything on this, but this came in my Ipsy bag. I'm just gonna put that. Okay, I'm gonna go to the color, I was gonna say next to it, but that doesn't seem like it'll show up either. Okay, I'm gonna go down here to this darker color. It's kind of got an olive undertone, but it's okay. And just putting that into like the crease and brow bone area. So just being sure to kind of stay in the socket area with this. I'm talking like I know exactly what I'm doing, but I don't, because I did not practice this look. I'm just doing it. So fingers crossed that it turns out nice. I love this brush. It has the little grips for me to set my fingers in. And then here we go again, dropping stuff. And then if I really want a loose, if I really want a loose grip with it, I just bring it down to the bottom. But next I'm gonna go in with a Luxie 212. This is a mini tapered brush, and I'm going to dip into my black now. I'm just gonna put that like right under, like deep into that socket area. I'm looking at this look and I feel like I am gonna cut the crease. I feel like that's just the way to go with this. So I'm gonna take my concealer. And just look up. It's not working. Oh, it did work. Okay. Now, taking my concealer brush, I'm just gonna get the rest of that excess off of there so that it's not too much. And I'm just gonna use this, my top, to cut my crease. So now I have cut my crease. I'm gonna go in with this. I like this one. This is more of the bronzy look that I'm thinking about. So I'm gonna go in with that color and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. Actually, I'm lying. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. I'm gonna take this small liner smudge brush and go into that same color and just kind of make sure that all of this is a straight line. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. I do have a gold eyeliner, so I'm gonna grab that real quick. Okay, this is a RK by Kiss eyeliner that I got from my local hair store. I did a video on this. This is a 24-hour Define eyeliner. It was $2.99. It's a twisty, mechanical, that's what they call it. Like it's a pencil or something. It's not a pencil. I mean, I guess it is a pencil. Let's not even worry about it. I'm just gonna line this area here. Hopefully it's deep enough. It's not deep enough. Oh, that's not bad. It's showing up. Now I'm gonna use an eyeliner to kind of basically, it's gonna be a big wing, basically. We're gonna wing this really big. I'm gonna do my lashes and I will be right back. Okay, so my lashes are on, and these say that they are lightweight, and to be honest, they are not. These are the heaviest lashes that I have ever had on in my entire life. I like them though, so that will not keep me from wearing them because I like the way they look. Just so you know, I put eyeliner in my waterline just because I don't have any foundation or anything on right now, and I thought, why not? So let's go on to the rest of the face. Today I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I have not used a sponge in a long time. I'm using 2 pumps of foundation. I want full coverage today since our eyes are like so, I don't know. Yeah, we want full coverage. We're trying to cover up everything. Everything?
Like you want to do to your car.
Everything. Okay, going into my concealers, I'm going to be using my Fenty's today. Fenty. As you can tell, this is not the most affordable makeup routine, but it's okay. It's okay. So we're gonna be going in with our Fenty. I got my $4.95 that I'm gonna be contouring with, and surprisingly, these are not that heavy. I don't know if the concealers are supposed to be the soft matte. I know the foundation is a soft matte. I feel like they're not really dewy products, but it's okay. Maybe my forehead is big. I just be in denial. I think I just be in denial, y'all. I don't know. I don't feel like I got a big forehead, but I don't know. Okay, now on to my highlighting concealer. I have the shade 420, which I really honestly don't think be highlighting like it's supposed to, but we're just gonna go with it, okay? Going back to this brush, I'm going to go into my Fenty powder in the shade Coffee, and I'm going to powder my contour. I'm going to take my big poofy puffy brush and just blend everything together. Now it is time to highlight. And I'm going to be using something that I haven't used very often. It came in my first BoxyCharm. This is the Cover FX Glitter Drops, and this is the shade Dunno. Don't know, but it's gold, so, and it says shake well before using. And making sure to really blend that out. Okay, before we move on with anything else on the face, we're gonna finish our eyes because we did not finish them. So I'm gonna take this smudge brush from Echo Tools and go into this highlighter and just highlight here under the brow. Corner. And take that M149 brush that we had that black on and just smudge that out, like blend that out. Blend that liner out. Now it is time for the lips. I'm just gonna do something really simple. I'm gonna take these two. This is Brown Sugar and Spicy Brown. These are my RK by Kiss from the hair store, my local hair store, and I'm just gonna kind of ombre with these. So I'm gonna use this darker color. Ooh, it broke. That's no bueno. And then taking this lighter color. So this is our finished look. I'm so excited. I'm so happy with how it turned out. So it definitely looks nothing like the Pinterest picture that I was inspired by, but I like that. I did my own take on it. I like the way that it turned out. It looks beautiful. I feel like this is wearable throughout the day. It's not like too extravagant, but it's a nice look. It's not the most affordable products that I used, but I feel like you could still do this look with very affordable products. But yeah, I like it. I hope you guys like it. If you like this look, let me know with a thumbs up. If you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.